Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. You guys, there's a plot twist to the whole Dr. Nandipha Makudumana story, who ran away with her lover Besta, who she helped escape a prison, you guys, and aided him, helped him start a new life and eventually moved in together with him. Is that Dr. Nandipha was not currently registered with the HPCSA, called the Health Professional Council of South Africa. Speaking to News 24, the HPCSA said Magudumana has been suspended from practicing as a doctor since April 2021 as he has not paid her annual membership fee, which allows her to practice medicine in the country. The organization also said that if Dr. Magudumana was found to be practicing medicine, she would be committing a crime and could be arrested and prosecuted accordingly by the authorities. The HPCSA said Makudumana had been suspended in terms of Section 19A 1B of the Health Professional Act for failure to pay annual fees when they were due on April 1st, 2021. Now there you have it guys. Please do engage with me down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video.